Welcome to Artsmith channel.
Warning: high-speed rotary tool may lead into injury if you do not use it with proper safety equipment and guidance. Please wear safety glass, gloves and mask to avoid dust. This is how final output wood carving maple leaf looks like. Draw maple leaf on wood piece. Cut the sides of wood piece as shown in the video. Reduce the thickness of the wood, and also grind it in curved shape. Take double-side gum tape and stick on piece of wood. Stick maple leaf shape wood on it. This will help to keep the wood piece horizontal position. Turn the wood piece, and grind it on front side. Grind the edges to get the leaf shape. Give finishing touch, as shown in the video. Apply varnish with the help of brush. wood carving maple leaf. This can be used as pendant, keychain or simply as a showpiece. If you like this video, please don't forget to click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, and do like and share my video. Thanks for watching.